Hi, did you know you can send data from your mobile device to PC without using any USB cable? If you don't, then let me show you how. First, install this application in your mobile device. Link is in description. Then open the application, grant permissions it asks for, and click on Start button. Now copy this server URL. Now on your PC, open My Computer or This PC, right-click and select Add a Network Location. Now paste that server URL here. Enter the name if you want, and finish. Here you go. It will open your mobile's internal storage. Remember that your mobile device and PC have to be connected to same Wi-Fi router, or if you don't have Wi-Fi connection, then connect your PC to hotspot of your mobile device. That will do it. Thanks for watching.